Goa Advocate GeneralDevidasPangamhas has claimed that no authority can permit diversion of Mhadei river water, not even the central government. Referring to the clearance given by the Central Water Commission, he said, "This is just a technical clearance granted by CWC. Karnataka needs several other permissions, including permission from the Chief Wildlife Warden, which cannot be permitted unless there is diversion of water only for wildlife purpose." Goa Advocate General Devidas Pangam also stated that the state would pursue the legal remedy and has asked for a copy of the DPR, which was not given by Karnataka, despite Goa's plea to the centre to give all correspondence copies of the communication from Karnataka. "We will plead before all authorities to fight for Mhadei," Pangam said. "They cannot divert the water under Section 29," Pangam claimed.
That is granted by the central government. Our view is that no water from Mhadei Wildlife Sanctuary can be diverted at all in law. No authority can permit it. Even the central government cannot permit it. And that is our point. We will raise this point seriously and we will not permit that to happen.
So, but when all these things are there, how it was permitted then you feel?
See, this is only a technical clearance from the point of view of water management that the Central Water Commission has granted this permission. But that is not the end of the matter. You require several other permissions, and one of which is this permission from the Chief Wildlife Warden. If that is not there, you cannot do it. And even according to me, the Chief Wildlife Warden cannot grant such a permission because this will amount to diversion of water for other than the use of the wildlife sanctuary. The Chief Wildlife Warden can permit such diversion only for the benefit and use of the wildlife sanctuary. It cannot be allowed to be used for any other purpose. The legal remedy is one thing is that we have not got the DPR in our hand today. We are demanding it from the central government today to give it to us. We are addressing a letter to the central government saying that it should give us a copy at the earliest. This is the first thing we are doing. Secondly, we are raising issues on all front before all central government authorities. And one thing is very clear: we are going to agitate this issue of Section 29 of the Wildlife Protection Act very seriously. And I think that is a strong point which is in our favor of the state of Goa.
Don't you think so the government should have been more cautious? क्या government को कुछ खबर नहीं?
No, no, it is not as if that way. See, we have a letter that is addressed by the state government saying that anything that is addressed by the state of Karnataka, any letter is issued, any DPR is given by the state of Karnataka, we should given a copy of it. And that is that we are very clear from the day one. But unfortunately, we have not got the copy of anything, as a result of which we are not able to presently understand as to what is that is approved by this technical team of the CWC.
But legality also जरा DPR revert back जाता.
See, even if they have a DPR, if they want to divert anything, in my view, under Section 29, they can't do it.
It's the Supreme Court of the hearing in
See, hearing is going on in the Supreme Court. See, it's a continuous process. So, what has happened is the Supreme Court has said that they will dispose of this matter, prima facie, at the stage of admission only. That is how now the pleadings are complete, replies are filed, rejoinders are filed. And then what happens is Supreme Court matters, there are so many number of matters which are listed before the Supreme Court. Some matter goes on for hours together. In fact, last time when this matter was listed, this matter did not reach only because some other matter went on for 2 days consecutive. So that's the thing insofar as Supreme Court is concerned.
Prasad Polji for Herald TV.